Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best Spreadsheet-to-Database tool for operations by doing a comparison between Smartsheet versus Airtable. If you're looking for the best Spreadsheet-to-Database tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this dashboard's take reports up a notch. You can add widgets on an open canvas to display graphics, lists, and statistics, an even higher level view. Since you can also add text and links here, dashboards are great to collect all the information about the project, the entry point where everyone starts and goes back to. You'll navigate dashboards with a files and folders experience, another familiar way of organizing information, especially if you've used computers since before Windows 95. If your team struggles with adopting new tools with unique user experiences, Smartsheet's learning curve will feel just right. Airtable also has a spreadsheet view called Grid. With crisp visuals and good spacing, it's slightly easier to read and interact with, but grids are just the beginning in Airtable. Kanban, gallery, list, timeline, and Gantt views make the full list of every way you can look at your data. As you create these new views, they'll be stored on the left side of the screen, making it easier to switch from one to the other. This agility makes your work easier and helps you act on ideas faster. With Dynamic View, you can manage your business processes by implementing a set of steps that every employee needs to take to complete important tasks. When you draw these processes, you'll find opportunities to streamline by removing or improving steps. At the same time, you can make sure that only managers access important data, while still letting other stakeholders work on the tasks with the basic information they need. In terms of functionality, Smartsheet's work apps are solid, and they edge out Airtable's in user management. You can create user roles and assign people to each of them, and embedding pages from the web to easily bring in that Google Slides presentation or a web page from your site. Airtable is better all around, both in terms of aesthetics and functionality, thanks to its relational database features. As you add new pages, they'll sit on the left side menu. Once you publish, it'll feel like a standalone tool, especially if you include forms to add new data, pages to display, and buttons to transform it in some way. Airtable CoBuilder AI engine takes your instructions in a prompt, reads the data you want to use, and then interacts with the platform to choose the best components and views to achieve the objective. It creates bases to cover all immediate and potential data storage needs, offering a range of useful views grouped by topic. It offers a lot of baseline views and bases. If that's too much, simply open the Airtable editor and delete them. The general direction suggests that Smartsheet AI will be a good tool to help project managers make better decisions through that basic one-on-one comparison. You can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.